With very few ingredients and a rolling pin, you can easily get homemade dumpling wrappers. They are incomparable. The homemade wrappers have a good taste and they are consistent. You can make the shape and the thickness that you want to adapt to the recipe and to the cooking. Steam. Pan. Boil in water. Fry or soup. Here are the ingredients for 40 wrappers. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgan.com. Start by diluting 1 teaspoon of salt in 22 centiliters of water. Put 500 grams of wheat flour in a mixing bowl. Pour the salted water little by little into the flour wine mixing. Knead until forming a ball. Wrap it and let sit for 30 minutes. The dough has rested. Now knead it for 5 minutes. And then let it rest for another hour. After 1 hour, we can now make the dumpling wrappers. Divide the dough into 2 balls. Leave one wrapped in film while we spread the other half. Sprinkle the table and the dough with cornstarch. Spread the ball with a rolling pin to get a small disc. Tightly wrap it around the rolling pin. To spread the dough, only roll forward, never backward. To bring the dough back to you, lift it. When rolling, my hands first press in the center and then gradually towards the 2 ends of the rolling pin. Repeat 4 to 5 times. Unroll the sheet of dough and give it a quarter turn. Repeat the same operation several times until getting a thin sheet. Here, I want a thickness of about 2 millimeters. To help the spreading of the dough, you can sprinkle a very little cornstarch from time to time. Before cutting, sprinkle both sides of the sheets with enough starch. This will prevent the wrappers from sticking. Cut 9 cm diameter discs. We get 40 thin and regular dumpling wrappers. At this stage, you can freeze them. When you want to use them, just take them out and let them defrost. Now, you can choose a recipe from my dumpling playlist. With the leftover dough pieces, you can make a tasty stir-fry dish. I'm going to show you how. Cut the leftover dough in chunks. Cook them in boiling water over high heat until they come up to the surface. Drain them. To stir-fry them, in a pan heated over high heat, put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When it's hot, put 2 chopped garlic cloves. Stir from time to time. When the garlic starts to brown, put the leftover dough pieces and add 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Turn on medium heat for 1 minute. Occasionally stir. Add a dash of sesame oil. Briefly stir. Then add the chopped spring onion. Stir and cut the fire. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at next homemade dish.